How to temporarily install maps into Garmin BaseCamp. Yes, you are seeing Windows XP. I have this running in a virtual box under Linux, but this is the same in Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11, and Windows 8. Yeah, in Windows 8. So 7, 8, 10, and 11. BaseCamp works the same in all of them. So let's just say you have no maps installed on your computer. Now I have OpenStreetMap via OpenMapChest installed locally, but let's just say you just got the global map. No map detail or very basic detail. You really can't work with it. Well, can you temporarily install the maps? Yes. All you have to do is plug in a Garmin. Watch what happens here. So I'm going to connect a new V54 and watch the magic. It'll take a second for it to detect. When I say plug in a Nuvi, I mean via USB, obviously. See this? Ooh, and look at all that map detail. And now I have the City Navigator North America. Cool. Now, it says up here that there are certain limitations. If I click on that and show limitations, you can't print the map. That's basically it. But you can take this and mark waypoints. You can do custom routes with this. You can do everything you can as if you had the maps installed locally. So that's neat. Now when you back up, you'll notice it takes a bit to draw. It's pulling all of this over USB 2.0 right now. Yeah. And if you've got a really old Nuvi, like say in 1490 that has USB 1.1, yeah, it takes even longer to draw the map, but it will draw the map. But yeah, I can zoom right in. It's not lickety-split quick, but good enough. You get the map detail. That's the whole point. And then afterward, if I disconnect this device, yep, right back to the global map. Yeah, you can see it there, my little Linux prompt there. I don't know if that'll show up on the video or not. But then I go back to OpenMapChest and I get these are my local maps here. That's the way that works. So that's how you do it. If you need the temporary install of the maps in order to work in BaseCamp, launch BaseCamp first, plug in a Garmin, select the map, do your stuff, and yeah, that's it.